When you think about Central and South American archaeology, your mind probably goes straight to the Aztecs and the Incas. But have you heard of the Muisca? From around 600 to 1600 CE in the eastern Cordillera of Colombia in what is now the Bogotá region, Chibcha-speaking indigenous groups known collectively as the Muisca were creating beautiful, complex artifacts out of gold, stone, ceramics and textiles. Hi, I'm Rosie, an archaeological scientist from the University of Cambridge. Today we're going to focus on the gold. And more specifically, these anthropomorphic ofrendas or offerings known as tunjos. Tunjos were made specifically for leaving in sacred places out of tumbaga, which is an alloy of gold and copper. And they were made through lost wax casting, which is a technique that metallurgists still use to this day. Essentially, the process is like this. You make a wax model, you build a mold out of clay and charcoal around it, you heat that up, melt out the wax, and in you pour liquid gold, or other metal if that's what you want to cast. Then once it's cooled, you can break the mold and out comes your metal object. What is just so amazing about these tunjos is their intricacy. I mean, just look at how tiny these ones are. And this entire raft carrying multiple people is only 20 centimeters by 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters. So with microscopy and chemical analyses, it's been demonstrated that each individual tunjo, including the entire raft, is cast in a single event, in one go from a single wax model. So there's no soldering, no piecing together afterwards. What is made in wax is transformed, if you like, in a single event into glistening gold. Some of the tunjos like this one even have their own jewellery. This is also cast with the single original object, but in such a careful way that these pendants are able to remain swinging freely even after the metal has cooled. And I think that's amazing.